When did you get here? No. I still think of the time when it was just me and you against the whole world. But you have ruined it all in the name of a mistake. Look how happy we used to be. Bheka lapho ukuthi sasephi kanjani? Uxolisana.
Just a mistake.
A mistake? A mistake that you did repeated times. You call it a mistake?
Oh, I loved you.
Loved me? You never loved me. You were never in love with me. You were in love with the idea of being with me, but you enjoyed other people's company.
I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you're sorry. I'm phoning Kololoko min. We are going to take a walk down memory lane. Me and you. Just don't try anything stupid. If you try anything stupid, you are going to make this easy for me. How did we get to where we are today? Put. You should have thought about that before you did what you did. You did it again and again. Why? Don't ever think of doing anything stupid. Don't. The pain that you inflicted on me, I got used to pain. It became something tricky. And I'm going to make you feel the very same pain. Ngambami. You did this. Why? Why wangenza nibenze so? Iphutha. You should have thought about this before you did it. Why ungacabanga ukuthi liphutha before ukwenza lokho? Why? I loved you when I had a picture of us in the future. The very future. Where it was just me and you against the whole world. But you had to edge it. Why? You had all the time to explain everything. You never loved me. Don't touch me! Ngambambi sithando sami. Ngambambi. Uxolisana. Don't keep on saying you're Xolisa. Don't keep on saying you're Xolisa. Uxolisana. Tell me, why did you do it? Why did you do it? What is it that you meant to do? Embrace the pain. What you are feeling is exactly what I'm feeling. I'm full for the love of it. Stop coughing. Embrace the pain. Embrace it as it comes. This is what I had to endure for the way that I loved you. This is not the end. Me and you are still going to have some fun. Sit. I still love you.
I love you too.
Why did you do it? Don't tell me you're sorry. Don't tell me you're sorry. Why are you sorry? You should have been sorry when you thought about doing that. Look at me. I'm on top of you just the way that you was. What are you trying to do? You're trying to inflict the pain that you inflicted in my heart.
I'm sorry.
It's not going to work. Do you know how much I love you? Do you know how much I love you? Stop coughing and respond to me!
You're weak, Karen.
Don't tell me.
You're weak, you can't.
I'm not weak!
You've been torturing me for days now.
That's because I love you.
You can't do it.
That's because I love you.
You're weak.
Don't tell me I'm weak. Why are you quiet? Talk to me. You said that I'm weak. Talk to me! Talk to me! Tell me. Tell me. You can't die now. No. You can't die now. Me and you have a lot to accomplish. We have a lot to Tim. 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 What did I do? What did I do? Tim. What did I do?